Today we're working on ancient wood. Again, for the first time in a little while. It's bog oak. Some of these pieces are around 1,200 years old. Some of these other pieces move up to 1,700, almost 2,000 years. So they've already been shaped a while ago. And now, just time to sand all of this down so it can be ready for some finish. There you can see all the figure coming through. This wood has the craziest grain because of the age. It has undergone a complete cellular collapse, same as those cookies that I cut, well, those ones. Anyways, look at that. It's truly phenomenal. Absolutely gorgeous wood. This is by far one of my favorite species. And it was an absolute miracle that I came across these and got to do something with them. This is going to become a book stand. Let's just move that one up. Let's get that situated right. Just like so. It's very dusty. That's why my hands keep slipping. So there, you can have your book inside. Here is the part that's going to become the spacer. So, for reference. And the book stand is complete. Oh, I should say. Complete. Look at all that crazy figure coming through, especially after the sanding. Some of it doesn't pick up completely on camera after the light, but it'll pick up as soon as I put finish on this. I'm thinking maybe just like a acrylic urethane or such. Don't need to overkill. This book's gonna be on this, so no water's coming near it.